ना सर, ये सर आवाज क्यों नहीं आ रही है? आवाज नहीं आ रही।
प्रतीक्षा, बाकी के माइक बंद करो बेटा, मुझे बहुत डिस्टर्ब हो रहा है। प्रतीक्षा, बी अलर्ट। ओके, good evening parents and student. This is very special meeting for 10th standard information instruction. I have divided my this meeting into three part. First, orally I will tell the points which you have to remember as a parents, as a student. In second part, all original material I will try to show you how you have to work within first 30 minutes in the center. And then after, if you have any question, you can ask to me. So let's start with instruction. Marathi exam from 30th April. English medium, first paper is Marathi. Second paper is English. This language are first, second, third. So according to that, English, Marathi, and Hindi. Because our St. Lawrence have adopted all these 80 marks paper. So three language paper. Then maths, 8th and 10th, part 1, part 2. 8th May, 10th May. Science 1 and 2, 12th May, 14th May. Sorry, 12th May and 15th May. Then SS part 1, part 2, 17 and 19. Okay, that timetable, new timetable I have posted with new timings. Now paper will not be from 11 o'clock. It will be from morning 10:30. And what are the changes? Two main change they have given. In 40 marks paper, means last 6 paper, maths 1, maths 2, science 1, science 2, SS1, SS2, 40 marks paper, in that they will give additional 15 minutes. In 80 marks paper, totally you have to write 9 papers, 6 paper of 40 marks. 6 paper means maths, science, SS. Now rest of 3 paper which are of 80 marks, that you have to write in 3.5 hours. Means in that 80 marks paper, 30 minutes extra. So paper will start at 10:30 morning. You have to enter into the center on your classroom, on your bench, exactly at 10. Then what type of the work you have to do, that I will demonstrate, that I will give a full demo of that with original material. Now some points which you have to remember. From first exam to last exam, suppose some student will find COVID positive, so their exam will stop there and they will take again in June. They will give you new timetable. In the traffic or in any circumstances, suppose you cannot reach to your center, your official center. This time they are giving self school center. But suppose you are very far, you are trying to reach to your center, suppose your school, and in between, because of heavy traffic or any accident or anything, suppose you cannot reach. So if it is around 10 o'clock and now you can conclude that you cannot reach to your center, so you can go to nearby center which is 10th standard center. So there also you can, in an emergency, you can give the exam. Hall ticket is it is a very important document. So original you have to carry, and two xerox you have to give to your relatives which is nearby the center, or to your mother father. So in an emergency, suppose it is lost, so somebody can reach and at least give you the copy of that. But you have to be very careful for hall ticket. By chance you forgot, and you are very long from the center, and at the center at 10 o'clock you come to know that my hall ticket is not there. So don't afraid, just inform, they will help you. Don't go back to bring your hall ticket. In my this long experience, no, I have seen that at 10 o'clock they will realize that sir, I forgot hall ticket at home. So they will go by auto and will come again, and with lots of tension 1 hour will spoil, and within that condition you can't write the paper. So in each and every condition, no, be cool, take help of your teacher. You can call me also, I will at that time I will guide you. During the exam, suppose you are not having covid, but another any problem, vomiting, stomach ache, headache. So parents or brother sister, elder brother sister can give a company, means they can stay nearby the center or inside the center if the principal will permit. So you can give him or her sharbat or whatever the tablets or water. So for any emergency, you can stay for 2 or 3 hours during the exam. And now the temperature day by day is increasing. It is March ending. From tomorrow it is April, and your major all exams are in May. So you have not to carry simple water. You carry means tasty limbu sharbat or whatever you like. So in between where you will drink 2 sip, 3 sip, no, you will feel energetic. Orange juice or whatever you like. So you carry something with you in the exam center, so you can have during that time. And before breakfast, don't reach to the center before 10 o'clock. Suppose you are far, so at 9 o'clock have your breakfast. Come with full of stomach, because after 1 or 1:30 you will leave the center, so again you will come late by 3 o'clock. So that much time of duration you can't have fast for a long time. So come with full of stomach, heavy breakfast. Now in the process of there are three types of the sticker on main book supplement. Main sticker is barcode sticker. On barcode sticker you will find your roll number, means sorry, exam number, subject, subject code, date, everything you will get. Examiner will help how to stick, where to stick. Then on that you have to hide that. For that you need holograph black sticker. And after paper they will stick one more, that is a dummy examiner number, because your original will be hide, so no one can identify whose paper is this. So suppose after giving the paper at home you will realize that अरे मैं तो ये भूल गई, अरे मैं तो मेरा ये रह गया, मेरा मैंने एक में holograph नहीं लगाया. Don't come to the center again, because when examiner will collect, when they will send the paper, they will check each and every supplement, each and every paper, and if it is something missing, so they will complete. So don't rush again to the center by mistake. You have to be very careful in last 5-10 minutes that you have stick all the stickers or not. That I am giving the demo. Okay, these are the points which you have to remember before exam. Okay, and now one by one thing I am introducing. This is the original answer book. This is original answer book. You can see this part. Here you have to write the information, and this second dotted part it is given dot dot dot. So here sticker you have to apply. This sticker will be individual. This will be the common for all, but this is individual with your roll number, with your exam number, with your subject code, center number, everything you will find this. So that only you have to write here. And at the end, after your exam, when you will submit the paper, they will stick one
So
more
your
sticker.
screen is blur.
Okay. So each and everything I am showing you. And here three columns. First examiner will check, then moderator will check, then chief moderator will check. So this last number, that will be your final result mark, correct? And inside all the instructions are there. So first day, every day they will give 30 minutes before, they will give the answer paper 30 minutes before, so you can read this. And this is the 1 2 3, and this is the fourth. When you will apply for the verification, they will write again marks here. And student, you can see that compared to your A4 fullscape size, the height of this line is more compared to your regular book or this A4 size book. So whatever the paragraph you will write in your regular book and whatever the paragraph you will write in these, it will appear different. So and see here it is very, this is original, this you will get. So see the broad margin, and people are drawing one more broad margin, all student. So see, like paper column, you will get very less part. Don't do here very small. See up to the line, no, where it is given, right up to that. So whenever they will give a rubber band or whatever the things they will apply, so it will cut, but this much part will cut. So be careful. Don't apply big margin here also. Okay, now one by one sticker I am showing you. Per center there will be like this. These are dummy. That is why they have written cancel cancel. So they will remove this sticker. For example, this is of your roll number. Okay. So
Students are not able to hear your voice and your network is also very slow.
my network is slow. I think it is okay now because on the spot it shows.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see, you can see this part. So there you have to apply this. See dotted line should be matched to the dotted line, correct? And see inside here some informations are given, that same to same you have to copy here. Your exam number, your subject, your seat number, center number, subject code, all you will write here. And when you will complete, then they will give you this holograph sticker. Holograph means what? Only from the border it will stick, it will not stick from the middle. So whatever you have written there, it will not stick. So half a part like this, I'll not stick because it is original and more demos I have to give. So like this. Okay, so this boundary is given, this boundary is given. Examiner will help you, but you should know, you should have this knowledge. Now your everything is hidden. Now this much barcode is that indication, computerized indication with the in like mole. You have seen no how they are making the bill. From that they can make out that which subject, which student, which exam number, and these marks goes to this account only. And there will be total 20 side. So 40 marks paper, you no need to take any supplementary. So inside this you can see all. See here main question paper, question number, here main question number, below that sub question number. So 20 side you have, that is more than enough for every 40 marks paper. Now next, now one by one I am showing you. This is supplementary, 4 side, but this is half occupied, so 3.5 only you can write. So here also you have to write everything, and here also you have to apply barcode. Again you have to hide all the information. Here these are the common thing, the date, subject, and from that they cannot identify your paper. Next, now there are different types of the supplement. One I have shown this supplement. Now one graph supplement. Sorry. They will provide 3 graph, 1, 2, 3, and here again all the information, again holograph sticker, black sticker. Then in SS, world map, India map, information, and regarding this map they have given the instruction, again holograph sticker. Now one more thing I want to, original I have shown, it will be like this. So they will fold this, and cut this. Now this is your mark list. Now this is a barcode, you can see, and here this mark. When they will scan this mark directly enter in your exam number, in your subject. So there is no chance of typing mistake. Correct? So these are regarding stickers, type of supplementary, main answer book. Suppose you forget anything, don't worry, don't come again to the school. They will satisfy all the things, they will maintain the things that if it is anything very emergency or they cannot do, so only under that condition only they will call. Correct? So these are the things. And what we have observed in prelim exam, that out of 60 students, 7 students are absent, and out of that remaining student, 10 students have done mistake in writing roll number. See, 2-digit number they are not writing correct. This 10th standard student, I have given the list of that student. So see what they will do in SSC board exam. Either they are writing wrong or they are not writing the roll number. How we can prepare the mark sheet? I am not the class teacher, so I can come to know that this Ashish Vyas is this and Pratik Gusalia is this. So from name I can't identify. So in the SSC board there are 17,35,086 hall tickets are prepared. This much students are there. So that is your duty to copy. Every time you have to copy. No need to remember. No need to by heart. In hall ticket it is written. In word also you have to write. In number also you have to write. In every day when you will get the sticker, in sticker also you will find. In sticker also you will find. So it is given a seat number, sticker number, subject, center, date, everything. You have to copy accurately. You have to copy. Correct. So in this no exam from home, what they are understanding, they are smarter and they are very techno savvy. They are using double mobile. In one mobile, no, they type the science question, and in Google they are searching. So they don't know that teacher will come to know that from where we have, from where we got this answer. So teachers can identify. So in exam also, don't write dot to dot from the guide or dot to dot from some ready material. Okay, it should be appropriate to the question. Don't mug up and don't just copy paste. Don't. So these are related to the material. These are related to the changes in the rules and regulation. So max to max 10 o'clock you have to reach to the center. 10:30 exam will start, and 2 hours, so 10:30 to 11:30, 11:30 to 12:30, and 15-minute extra. And if it is 80 marks, so 12:30, 1:30, and extra 30 marks, so 2 o'clock. So like that, where there is a 3.5 hours and 30 minutes before you are coming, 3 hours paper, 30 minutes before you are going, 30 minutes after you are leaving. So more than 4 hours you are in the class. So at that time, because of this hot and high temperature, you need water, cool water or test water. Don't drink simple testless water. So better you bring energy drink like limbu pani and all the things. So these are the, and sanitizer is compulsory. uh, Water, generally in SSC board, center provides the water, but this year center will not provide anything. Means this material that, so they will give from the SSC board, but for self use, so water they will not provide. Sanitizer also you have to bring it from home. So these are the instruction before exam, during the exam, and after exam. Don't take the tension. You have finished that paper. No, don't discuss with mom or dad or with brother, sister, or with friends that what is your answer? What is your answer? Now it is gone. They will check. Examiner, moderator, chief moderator. Don't waste on that time. Eat. Go. Go to the home. Eat your food. Have rest for 30-40 minutes. Restart for the next paper. So it is my advice. Don't discuss. Even don't say it is good or bad or whatever. Don't reply anything. Whatever you have written on now, that is final. If you will tell me the answer, no, अच्छा तेरा 12 आया, मेरा 22 आया, तो एक का तो wrong है, तो दोनों tension. That impression will get on next paper. So as per my 30 years experience of 10th teaching, and with very high reference, I got all the things, because each and every teachers are not having on the material. So because no, every year we are taking prelim for this introduction of this material, but this time we don't have time or this situation. So I thought, let's plan for meeting for our school first. Then this same to same meeting 5 times, 5 days. I have continuously. I have to take for different around. I have to capture 100 school of Bombay, including Gujarati medium, including English medium. So I have started from my student, and every day I am taking live lecture. In live lecture also, out of 14 students, only 25 30 students are coming. So what I'm doing every day, I'm doing the recording, I am sending the link, and that link also max to max 52 students are opening, because with it is linked with my YouTube, so I can come to know that how much students have opened it. So around 30 students are coming online, rest of 50 are opening that link. So this 80 students, less than 50 students are in my contact. See, from my side, I am doing best of best. From day first, I am taking live lecture every day. I am doubt solving, uh, paper solution, MCQ special training. From my side, I am trying my best of best, because uh, for each and every teacher, our ambitions are two: quality result, quantity result. So quantity result achievement we got in last year 100% result. This year I want quality result, more and more student, at least 25 student I want, 90 plus. So for I am trying my best, but from student side very poor response. Now start your questionnaire, because our time will this Zoom meeting is only for 40 minutes. Pratik sir, allow them to speak. Who want to speak? Madam is there, madam?
Yes, sir.
Pratik sir, find out madam is there.
Sir, she is not there.
Okay. Anybody want to raise the hand? Anybody want to ask the question? Have you any doubts regarding SSC board, regarding paper, regarding parents are there or only the students are there? Say anybody
get the hall ticket?
hall ticket, 10 days more you have to wait. I will send the message to each and every division wise group. Next.
Okay, sir.
Pratik sir, find who want to speak.
Sir,
Ask.
sir,
Anjali, ask.
the homework that you have given, Sir Preeti.
हाँ प्रीति से बच्चा. Preeti
Sir,
से
the
बच्चा.
homework that you have given, we have to complete it in this month, or
I have nothing
sir, the
given
homework
बच्चा.
that you have given, we
Whatever
have
is
to
given no
submit in
maths.
this month.
अरे for maths I have already corrected the assignment and practical book. Now only for MCQ you have to come for internal.
Not that one.
You are talking for which subject, बच्चा?
Okay, sir.
Preeti, you are talking for which subject?
The subject that you have given, science and technology.
अरे that subject teacher will guide बच्चा. For maths, whatever I have given the assignment, that will be in assignment and homework group and project book. That means practical book, that is up to 2 marks. And only now I have
मेरा वो जेट मीटिंग का चालू है. जेट
Hello.
के एग्जाम का मीटिंग का चालू है.
Zaid say बच्चा, what you
Yes,
want to
sir.
say? प्रीति, मैथ्स में सिर्फ अभी आपको एमसीक्यू देना है बस. बाकी सब्जेक्ट टीचर बोलेगी आपको. जैद बोलो बेटा, क्या बोलना है
Yes, sir.
आपको? जैद से एक बोलो.
Nothing, so just I'm asking that only. When hello,
हाँ बोलो.
hello,
हाँ से.
do you hear?